Oh, today's art video is freaking awesome. You guys are going to love this. Okay, here I am.
Hello, and welcome back to another ResinArt video. My name's Tyler Carroll, and I will be your artist today. Okay, so in today's video, all we do is a little heat and a tilt on a board. This is an 18-inch pine board. Primed it, some white house paint, and then just boom, put the products down, heated it, tilted it, and that's how we get what we've got here today. So I first saw my friend out in California do this a long time ago, probably back in 2017 sometime. So she's the master of it, and she does awesome at it. Her name's Iveta, one of my near and dear friends, and I love her to death. So yeah, I've seen this done for a long time, just never done it. But yeah, here it is. We'll show you how to do it, and hope you enjoy this video. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, everyone. These are the products that I used today. Turquoise blue, boysenberry, and Iceland white. And they are all from Art Tree Creations. The resin I use is Pro Marine Supply tabletop epoxy resin. It's a little bit thicker of a resin. It's great stuff. I love it. I got a ton of it up there, so it's good stuff. And then this propane torch. That's what we used. Okay, cool. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I mixed up approximately 14 ounces of Pro Marine Supply resin. Mixed it for 5 minutes. Then I'm just putting it down, coating it with my hand right here, just rubbing it in. Going over it with the torch, popping some bubbles, just little micro air bubbles. And then all I do is I put the products down and just kind of make a background base color on it. Nothing too special on it. I actually just use my hands to rub some color down, kind of get stuff, where I want it. I'm not real scared when I do this stuff. I see some people kind of, not go into it wholehearted, but I'm pretty bold, I guess. So I watch some of these other videos and I'm like, oh man, I'm like, those guys they just don't go in there, but I like to get in there and get my hands dirty. That's just me though. Okay, so I got my little background going right there. And then all I'm going to do here now is just put some colors down. That's the boysenberry right there. Then I'm going to follow it up with some white. That's the Iceland white from Art Tree Creations. Now here comes the turquoise blue. And then some more white from Art Tree Creations. And then now what we're going to do is get the torch out and just heat it up a little bit and tilt it. Heat the white and then heat the color behind it. And then just kind of, tilt it right like that. That's all I did. A little bit of an angle. And she just sells up like crazy. Just give it a couple seconds. And she'll keep selling and selling and selling. Okay, what else? Went up here at the top, just to kind of fill in the background a little bit better. And put some more colors down and everything. And did it the same way again, just kind of, that's what I did. I don't know. I like to laugh a lot. That one I put a little bit of clear through it, to try a little bit different of a method. See if putting the clear on top would do it any different than how it's done it before. Okay, and I'll heat it up here again, and we will tilt it and get a ton more cells. Here we go. Do, 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 do. Okay, I'm weird. I know I'm weird and I'm okay with it. Sorry for giggling, everybody. And then in the middle, I just was kind of looking for a focal point. So I guess I did use my heat gun in this and just put some paste down, heated it up. Then up at the top, there's a little bit more of that background. So I just put some more of the cobalt blue up there at the top. And I'll do that here in a minute. And then after that, this thing's pretty much done. Just go through it, popping bubbles, all that stuff like that. And she's a good looking little painting right here. I love her. She's cool as hell. All right, well, I hope you guys learned something in this video here. And I hope you enjoyed it. And yep. Okay, here's a little flyover of it so you guys can kind of see all the details. And then I'll put some still pictures in it too. So it's still curing right now, so I haven't hung it up on the wall or anything yet. But oh man, that's my favorite part right there. Okay, and yep, there she is. She's pretty cool looking little painting. I love her. Okay, I'll throw some stills in here and some links to some other videos. Thank you everybody for watching. I do appreciate it. Love you all. Hope you learned something. And happy arting and have a great weekend. Okay, and all the products will be listed in the description of the video below. Man, that thing is gorgeous. And check them out. These art tree products, they're for real. Had them on my shelf for a long time, over 2 years. None of them got hard like all the other competitors. I'll just say it like that. They're great products. They stay good, they stay true, and they're awesome. Okay, everybody, tune in for another video. And love ya, love your show. Bye-bye, and happy arting.